Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Finally, after 3 months, I'm going on a ride. It was a long vacation. I was in my native with family, so now I'm back to Bangalore and maybe would continue with my weekend rides. Today is a quick ride. We're going on a breakfast ride to Paakashala on Hassan Road. So now I am heading to the meetup point, which is the Tumkur Road exit of Nice Road. So I hope you all are keeping safe. The COVID cases are not coming down, so the situation is not good in Kerala as well as Karnataka. So guys, keep safe, stay safe wherever you are. Okay, I am entering the Nice Road. Where is the bike entry, man? Is this the one? So I've completed my third service on VStrom. So I did last service in the month of January this year. So service cost was around 8,500 to 9,000 rupees. So there was no parts replacement. So maybe before the next service I will have to replace the brake pads. So I think the back brake pads are intact even now, but आगे का change कराना पड़ेगा. So I just inquired about the prices of brake pads. So one set of brake pads is costing around 7,500. So दो आगे का तो 2 sets लगता है, right? So 15,000 का फटका तो लगेगा ही लगेगा. So the current brake pads can go for another 5 to 6,000 kilometers. So I'll just keep a watch, and maybe after 5,000 kilometers I will have to go back to the service center and get it replaced. So I'm on the Nice Road heading towards Tumkur Road exit. So there are around 10 to 12 bikers who would join me from there, and then we'll head towards Paakashala. So you guys stay tuned and enjoy this video. So guys, I am at Tumkur Road exit. We have started from the meetup point. We are heading towards Paakashala. Traffic! we are about to reach our destination. It says 1 kilometer ahead. Oh, looks like it's on the right side. Too good, man. The ride was really good. I think I'm the last one to reach there. This is it. So that's the lineup for today. VStrom, Interceptor, GS, Dominar, Duke. Then we have few Kawasaki, Ninja. That's the last one. Badhiya. So guys, that's all for this vlog. So until next time, keep safe, stay healthy, take care, bye.